Thanks for listening to NOAA weather radio station KIG-63 in Grand Rapids, transmitting on the frequency of 162.55 MHz, and WWF-34 in Ashimo, transmitting on the frequency of 162.475 MHz. The current time is 9:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Low pressure over the southern plains will move northeast to eastern Iowa by Thursday afternoon and deepen. The low will then slowly move east across Wisconsin Friday as it begins to weaken. The low will cross Lake Michigan Friday night and continue to weaken as it moves across southern lower Michigan Saturday. Snow and sleet will develop late tonight with some accumulation possible mainly north of I-96. The precipitation is expected to change to freezing rain along and south of I-96, with ice accumulations of 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch by morning. A significant ice storm is possible north of I-96 on Thursday, with up to a 1/2 inch of ice accumulation. This may result in downed tree limbs and power lines with scattered power outages. Along and south on I-96, the precipitation will change to all rain on Thursday with a few thunderstorms possible. The arrival of warmer air could result in areas of fog. Precipitation will change back to all snow Thursday night. Then numerous snow showers are expected on Friday and Saturday. Snow accumulations will be possible, particularly in the snow belt areas along and west of Highway 131. Snow showers will diminish in coverage and intensity on Sunday and then Sunday night. Spotter activation is not expected, but snow, sleet, and icing reports would be greatly appreciated. Waves building to 3 to 6 feet tonight will pose a hazard to small craft on Lake Michigan. Waves of 4 feet or more can't be expected Thursday through Tuesday. Conditions around the area at 9 a.m. At Grand Rapids, light freezing rain and fog were reported. The temperature was 33 degrees, the dew point 29, and the relative humidity 85%. The wind was east at 16 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 23. The pressure was 29.66 inches and falling. Across the remainder of southwest lower Michigan, temperatures were between 32 and 36 degrees. At Kalamazoo, rain was falling. At Benton Harbor, it was cloudy. At Muskegon, freezing rain and rain were reported. At Battle Creek, rain and fog were reported. At Lansing, freezing rain and sleet were reported. In southeast lower Michigan, temperatures were between 31 and 34 degrees. At Flint, freezing drizzle was falling. At Detroit, snow and fog were reported. At Jackson, freezing rain and rain were reported. Across northern lower Michigan, temperatures were between 27 and 29 degrees. At Mount Pleasant, snow was falling. It was cloudy at Alpena and Traverse City. In the Upper Peninsula, Sault Ste. Marie was 19 degrees under partly sunny skies. In neighboring states, Milwaukee was 34 degrees with light rain and fog. Chicago was 35 degrees with fog. Once again, at 9 a.m., Grand Rapids was 33 degrees with light freezing rain and fog on Lake Michigan. At the Muskegon Lighthouse, winds were east at 12 knots, and the temperature was 31 degrees. At the South Haven Lighthouse, winds were east at 20 knots, and the temperature was 36 degrees. The following is a short-term forecast for the following counties in Michigan: Allegan, Berry, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Bingham, Ionia, Jackson, Kalamazoo, Kent, Muskegon, Nuevo, Oceana, Ottawa, and Van Buren. Periods of freezing rain will gradually change over to all rain as the temperatures continue to rise. Rainfall amounts will be around 1/4 of an inch. An occasional rumble of thunder is also possible throughout the morning. The following is a short-term forecast for the following counties in Michigan: Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Lake, Mason, Mecosta, Montcarmen, Osceola. Light to moderate snow along with an occasional rumble of thunder will continue to fall across the region through 11 a.m. Snowfall amounts at times will be more than an inch per hour. The snowfall should change over to freezing rain around 11 a.m. Now here is your local forecast. Winter weather advisory in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Today, windy. Occasional snow and sleet changing over to freezing rain early this morning, then changing over to rain this afternoon. A chance of thunderstorms through the day. Areas of fog, snow and sleet accumulation an inch or less. Ice accumulation of less than 1/4 of an inch. Highs in the upper 30s. East winds 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tonight, brisk. Areas of fog, occasional rain showers, and the chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then scattered snow showers or patchy light freezing drizzle after midnight. Snow accumulation little or none. Lows in the upper 20s. Southeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour, becoming southwest 10 to 20 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation 90%. Friday, periods of light snow. Snow accumulation 2 to 3 inches. Highs in the mid-30s. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 80%. Friday night, numerous snow showers. Light accumulations possible. Lows in the mid-20s. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Saturday, numerous snow showers. Light accumulations possible. Highs in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Saturday night, snow showers likely. Lows around 20. Chance of snow 60%. Sunday, partly sunny with a chance of light snow showers. Highs in the lower 30s. Chance of snow 30%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows 15 to 20. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 30s. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows 15 to 20. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s. Wednesday, partly sunny. Highs around 40. Here is the forecast for the open waters of Lake Michigan beyond 5 nautical miles from shore. Gale warning in effect through late tonight. For the south half of Lake Michigan, today, east wind 20 to 30 knots, becoming east gales to 35 knots this morning. Rain showers, chance of thunderstorms and sleet. Waves 7 to 10 feet, building to 10 to 14 feet. Tonight, southeast gales to 35 knots, veering southwest 30 knots after midnight. Rain in the evening, then snow likely after midnight. Waves 10 to 14 feet. Friday, southwest winds 30 knots. Snow likely. Waves 8 to 12 feet. Friday night, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots, veering north after midnight. Chance of snow showers. Waves 6 to 9 feet. Saturday, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Chance of snow showers. Waves 6 to 9 feet. Saturday night, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Chance of snow showers. Waves 6 to 8 feet. Sunday, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Waves 6 to 8 feet. Monday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Waves 4 to 6 feet. The following information concerns a winter storm warning for the following counties in Michigan: Clare, Isabella, Lake, Mason, Mecosta, Montcalm, Nuevo, Oceana, and Osceola. A winter storm warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Snow will develop Thursday morning and will change over to sleet and then freezing rain this afternoon. The freezing rain is then expected to persist through the evening before changing over to snow overnight tonight. A quarter to a half inch of ice is expected with locally higher amounts possible. This will make travel dangerous. Ice accumulations of a half inch could bring down tree limbs and power lines. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected or occurring. Travel, especially Thursday afternoon and evening, could be quite treacherous. Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore. Gale warning in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Rest of today, east gales to 40 knots. Occasional freezing rain, sleet, and snow changing over to rain. Scattered thunderstorms. Waves 3 to 6 feet. Tonight, east winds to 30 knots, becoming south 15 to 25 knots after midnight. Areas of fog, occasional showers and thunderstorms, changing over to scattered snow showers or freezing drizzle. Waves 3 to 5 feet, building to 4 to 7 feet. Friday, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Periods of light snow. Waves 4 to 7 feet, building to 5 to 9 feet. Friday night, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots, becoming northwest. Snow showers. Waves 5 to 9 feet, subsiding to 4 to 7 feet. Wave heights are for ice-free areas. The following information concerns a freezing rain advisory for the following counties in Michigan: Kalamazoo and Van Buren. A freezing rain advisory remains in effect until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. A period of rain or freezing rain is expected to continue until mid-morning this morning. Precipitation will then change over to a rain. Accumulations of ice will be less than a quarter of an inch, but it does not take a great deal of ice to make travel difficult. A freezing rain advisory means that periods of freezing rain or freezing drizzle will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads. Slow down and use caution while driving. The following information concerns a winter weather advisory for the following counties in Michigan: Allegan, Berry, Ionia, Kent, Muskegon, and Ottawa. A winter weather advisory remains in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Snow and sleet will develop early this morning, and then change over to freezing rain by mid-morning. This afternoon, the mixture of precipitation is expected to change over to all rain as temperatures are expected to warm above freezing. Accumulations of less than a quarter of an inch of ice are expected. The mixture of precipitation types will likely cause some slippery roads before temperatures warm above freezing across the area around midday. A winter weather advisory means that periods of snow, sleet, or freezing rain will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the KIG-63 listening area, a winter storm warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday for the following counties in Michigan: Clare, Isabella, Lake, Mason, Mecosta, Montcalm, Nuevo, Oceana, and Osceola. A flood watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Standard Time Friday for the following counties in Michigan: Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph. A freezing rain advisory remains in effect until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Michigan: Kalamazoo and Van Buren. A winter weather advisory remains in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Michigan: Allegan, Berry, Ionia, Kent, Muskegon, and Ottawa. The Grand Rapids Climate Summary for yesterday, February 28th, 2007. Yesterday's high temperature was 36 degrees, and the low 31 for a mean temperature of 34 degrees, and was 6 degrees above the normal of 28. 0.04 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 1.98 inches. This is 0.44 inches above the normal amount of 1.54 inches for February. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 4.17 inches, which is 0.60 inches above normal. 0.4 inches of snow fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 33.6 inches. The total snowfall for the season now stands at 63.0 inches. There were 31 heating degree days yesterday, which is 6 below normal. This brings the monthly total to 1,290, which is 155 above normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 4,784, which is 272 below normal. There were no cooling degree days yesterday, which is normal. This leaves the monthly total at 0, which is normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 0, which is normal. Yesterday the maximum wind observed was 22 miles an hour from the east. The highest wind gust observed was 28 miles an hour from the east. Yesterday the average wind speed was 9 miles an hour. The normal high temperature for today is 37 degrees, and the normal low is 21. The record high for today is 58, which occurred in 1992, and the record low is -5, which occurred in 1967. Sunrise today is at 7:18 a.m. and sunset is at 6:31 p.m.
Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KIG-63 in Grand Rapids, transmitting on the frequency of 162.55 MHz, and WWF-34 in Ashimo, transmitting on the frequency of 162.475 MHz.